Hey guys, it's Mint here and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a really exciting unboxing from Speedlube shop once again. So let's get straight on to the video. Okay, we don't actually need this. Oh, by the way, it is like 8 o'clock here, so it is pretty late. But I couldn't resist not opening this today, so here we are. Okay. So first off, we have the Stardust Lube, which is in a bundle with Lunar. So yeah, this is the Speed bundle, I believe. Okay, next clock. Oh, this is my first clock, by the way. And I got it set up by SAS. So I have hopes that it will turn better, but I don't know. I know the GE one is the best, but 35 euros to that, I don't know about that. Let's open this. Nope. Okay, this is super heavy. Okay, the lighting is interesting. Okay, a bit stiff, not too bad though. This is the LingAo clock, by the way, I forgot to mention. Okay, let's see the gears. Okay, this is my first time using a clock, so don't like comment me. I know it definitely needs some breaking in. Oh my god, how is this one already messed up? Can that even happen? Okay, well great, I just scrambled it. But I hope this one wasn't turned beforehand, because otherwise I don't know how I'm gonna get it back. Alright, I checked the footage and this is all fine, I'm just being over dramatic. Anyways, next item. I also got a bunch of stickers for like 5x5, 4x4, 2x2, and I don't even know what. Anyways, this is the MoYo RS3 M, which I'm hoping to be my OH main. So let's just open that now. Alright, MoYo stand. You know what? There. So I'm actually sure everyone has seen what comes with this and whatever, but oh my god. So this is the usual tensioning system, whatever. Screwdrivers, we don't have screwdrivers at all. Okay, now this cube. This is my first MoYo cube too. So let's see. Okay, this is so fast, oh my god. I definitely need to slow it down a little bit. Yeah, this is a little bit too uncontrollable right now, but I hope it's good for OH, because that's why I ordered it, because I used the Thunderclap V3 beforehand, but it was too heavy, so I was hoping this would replace it. Okay, anyway. And then we have last two cubes. So this is the MGC Elite, my new 2x2 main already. Because right now I have the MGC 2x2, but I feel it's too small for my hands. So I needed a bigger one, and this one also is like one of the best out there, so it's just, how do you open even? Okay, so this is probably the usual YJ. Yeah, I have like 3 of those screwdrivers now. Okay, nothing interesting in here, but the cube. Oh my god, I'm excited. I am very excited. God. Oh, it has primary interns. Okay. Yep, I can definitely tell it's gonna be a new main. I definitely need to slow it down a little bit as well. Let's see the corner cutting right here. Okay, pretty good for me. I'm not that picky. But otherwise, it is bigger. I can definitely feel the difference. The 1 millimeter is a big difference. I can't tell if it's too loose or if it's just definitely seems a little loose. I might play around with the settings a little bit because I don't want it to pop, because 2x2 pops are the worst. Also, let's check for corner twists, because I know for the MGC 2x2 it twists corners pretty easily, so this one is pretty easy also. But again, it might just be the tensions. I might tension them a little bit tighter by, I don't know, maybe half a screw. But otherwise, I'm really happy with this. Alright, and last but not least, we have the MGC Square-1. Oh my god. So I am really excited for this. This is like the best Square-1 there is. So my main right now is the usual little magic, but there was this weird thing where it missed magnets in some places, and well, the corner cutting wasn't the greatest, but they should fix all the problems. Alright, so I am sure we have the same things we just saw. Oh, except yeah, we have black caps also, because some like black caps. I don't really mind what color they are. And then there's screwdriver and everything, so I'll just leave that for later. And the cube. Oh my god. Okay, so first turns. Okay, so it is it loose though? I don't know if it's loose or if it's just me not knowing how to turn it. The UN dealers are definitely faster than the usual magic. And the corner cutting is a lot better. You can even do that, like usual little magic could never. But so far I like it. It is so much faster. I'm just afraid I'm gonna pop it, and if you know me, you know that if I get a pop, I could literally get a heart attack on any cube. Well, heart attack if I pop any cube. Oh yeah, all the other stickers. Okay, good thing it doesn't actually say which cube they go on. I mean, I guess I can just assume, but yeah. Stickers.